back to my channel. I am Jeanette, and today I'm going to do a 12 by 12 on a gallery wrap canvas, kind of a blob painting. So I'm going to put kind of a sky or water background. I'm really not sure where I'm going with it yet. It's just kind of in my head with some sea glass type blobs. So we'll see how this turns out. They are always fun and very whimsical. And as far as for the mixing of my paint, I don't have to mix it with anything because I use Nova Color paint. With Nova Color paint, you don't have to have a recipe to mix with mediums or with varnish or with glue. This paint is nice and thick, just the right consistency. You can only get this online. You can buy it directly at novacolor.com. I'll put a link down below. They don't have a store that you can go to buy it, except in California. I think you can go to their local warehouse there and possibly purchase straight from them, but they don't sell at any kind of store like Blick or Michael's or Walmart or anywhere like that. So you would go to their website and buy this paint. It's got a wonderful body paint and it dries amazing. The pigments are wonderful and you don't have to mix it with anything. You get nice little blobs and they don't crack. So I'm gonna have some fun with this painting tonight. I hope you just follow along with me, and maybe once it's done, I have a thought of covering it with resin, but we'll see. That'll be several weeks out because it takes a while for these blobs to dry. So you have to kind of do them in layers and let them dry 24 to 48 hours in between layering up more blobs. And but they're fun and they're whimsical, and I hope you follow along. So stay tuned. So here's the painting. It's been 2 days. You can see some of the blobs are still just a little wet. That's why these paintings take so long to do, but they are so much fun. Nothing is cracking, as you can see. They're just gonna dry really nice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out my Etsy store. The link is in the bio down below. You can purchase my art there. There is also a PayPal link if you'd like to contribute. And there's a link to the Missouri Artist on Main Street Gallery, where I am a resident artist, and you can find my work there as well. You all take care. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me. Until next time, bye-bye.